Partnership and Excellence Award is for a deserving company or organization that has been a true partner of the University of Kansas Hospital over several years. And AEG Sprint Center has truly been that type of partner.
It's been just all around an outstanding relationship, and that's the reason that we are asked and are recognizing Sprint Center as one of our Hall of Fame inductees this year.
I think that the two entities, Sprint Center, AEG, and the University of Kansas Hospital, have very much in common. And so they were very integral in getting us moving forward as one of our very early on partners, and I think brought a lot of attention to our project throughout your great reputation throughout the community.
The Sprint Center's been a tremendous success for downtown Kansas City, and our partnership has broadened in many ways that we didn't really anticipate when we first started talking about it.
We very much understand that we are genuinely about sports and rock and roll. We don't take ourselves so seriously. However, we do take safety very seriously, and we do want to provide the very best for all of our guests, artists, and athletes when they are within the building, and the University of Kansas Hospital provides us that ability.
What I love about the folks down there is they're creative, they're committed, they truly understand the benefit of this partnership.
Hi Doc, how are you?
We have just opened up an urgent care center at Sprint Center. So people always want to know, so how in the world did you get into urgent care at Sprint Center?
Sprint Center had the space available, and we started collaborating and realizing that the number of employees that we have now within the downtown loop, not to mention that the downtown population has almost tripled within the last 7 or 8 years, and there really wasn't a place for urgent care.
We've got all these great corporations, we've got all this revitalization of downtown Kansas City, and now it allows the University of Kansas Hospital to be part of that revitalization of the city.
One of the things that Sprint Center offered to their founding partners was concourse space. It was going to be a very, very nice environment, and so we thought the best way for us to complement that environment was to have a sculpture there.
I love the sculpture inside a Sprint Center. I think it is a beautiful glass sculpture. It brings a lot of color into the building. I think it's a great reflection on the University of Kansas Hospital.
Every time I go to Sprint Center, I go and watch people congregate around that art piece, and it's very gratifying to know that we've helped that conversation with Kansas City and that aesthetic for downtown Kansas City to encourage its growth.
Our 13th year, lucky 13, as we continue to do great things for the KU Cancer Center.
AEG Sprint Center has been a strong partner for the University of Kansas Hospital with our Treads and Threads event for over 12 years. We have raised over $8 million in just those 13 years for the University of Kansas Cancer Center for clinical care.
AEG Live is our sister company, which is the second largest content company in the world.
They help us with our headline entertainers, and we've been so fortunate in the past to have everyone from Leanne Rimes, Martina McBride, Trisha Yearwood, Huey Lewis in the News, Darius Rucker, many, many big names.
Whatever the future holds for Sprint Center, I'm sure we will be part of that, because that's the relationship that we have between the University of Kansas Hospital and AEG Sprint Center.
We work well together, we plan together, we strategize together. We've created things that no one thought was even thinkable at the time, and I'm really excited about the future as we work together.
I think we have a very good story to tell together.